Pinteresty क्रॉकरी और इन्फ्लुएंसर से लेकर हॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी के हाथ में you're going to find these fabulous gifting items guys, and they're also chip resistant. As office going girls, I know we're always looking for that cool lunch bag because you can imagine having this crockery in like a beachside holiday home. Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Today I am in the Mall of Millennium in Pune. पुणे का बड़ा ही टॉक ऑफ द टाउन रहा है पिछले कुछ महीनों से. So actually कुछ दिन पहले मेरी लास्ट पुणे ट्रिप पर मैं अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ यहाँ चिल कर रही थी और स्ट्रोल करते करते इस मॉल में मुझे एक स्टोर मिला जो देखते ही आई गॉट सो एक्साइटेड एंड आई वाज लाइक यार इस स्टोर का एक प्रॉपर टूर तो इस चैनल पे करना बनता है. एंड आई एम इनसाइड द सेम स्टोर टुडे ऑन दिस वीडियो. लाइक यू नो फ्रॉम द टाइटल, आज मैं आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ स्टोर टूर ऑफ नेस्टेशिया जो मॉल ऑफ मिलेनियम पुणे में है. अगर पुणे में हो and you're looking for like really aesthetic Pinteresty home finds that are high on quality and design, Nestesia is the store for you. From crockery to home items to some beautiful unique gifting items, they have it all and I can't wait to start showing it to you guys. पहले can we appreciate how aesthetically done up the store is. Like I am loving how well they have done it all up. Every corner looks so stunning and so beautiful. But हम शुरुआत करने वाले हैं मेरी फेवरेट एंड आप सबकी फेवरेट क्रॉकरी से. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस सेक्शन. ये यहाँ पर इनका स्टोर शुरू होते ही यू नो दे हैव असेंबल्ड दीज ब्यूटीफुल स्टनिंग प्लेट्स. लाइक पूरा डिनर सेट यहाँ पर है. आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू टेक अ लुक एट द कलर्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. लव द गोल्ड रिम ऑन द प्लेट्स and what a color man. तो ये पूरा सेट यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है with nice bowls, quarter plates, like the big plates and like a serving tray over here. And what I love the most is, oh my god, like matching glasses. I am loving it. These look luxurious guys. This is a store for somebody you know who likes quality. You know वो quality वाली चीज़ें जो हम अपने घर पे खरीदना चाहते हैं जो सालों तक हमारे कलेक्शन में रहती है, ऐसा तुम्हें सामान यहाँ पर मिलेगा. जैसे वो ग्रीन कलर की प्लेट्स थी वैसा ही there is this you know dusty pink dinner set. Again loving the details of it. And the best part is इनके जो सारी क्रॉकरी है ना, like including these serving bowls and plates, they are made from non-toxic materials and they're also chip resistant. बहुत बार हम ऐसा करते हैं कि क्रॉकरी में हम लोग पैसे डालते हैं, इतनी अच्छी क्रॉकरी खरीदते हैं और वो थोड़ी सी भी जब चिप हो जाती है यहाँ से ऐसे दिल दुखता है ना कि यार इतने पैसे. बट दिस इज़ ऑल chip resistant. I have to show this glass in like beautiful light. I mean I want you to check out the details of this glass. Just come close, look at this, look at the color, look at the geometric pattern over it. It looks so classy. There's more crockery behind. यहाँ पर कुछ basic stuff है that I want you guys to take a look at. Love how minimalistic this design is and yet it looks so classy. Like black with a gold rim. Black के अलावा they also have a white one. If you know you choose white or black, which one do you like better? I think it's a very difficult choice. Look at this one. I'm loving the whole ombre effect, this texture that they have created. And ye edges bhi, if you see, they are not just round, okay? In edges maybe there is a little bit of upar niche. Love this plate so much. इसका भी एक matching bowl है, giving it like a vibe, you know. I can imagine having this crockery in like a beachside holiday home. Full Greek theme का वो होगा और जहाँ पर हम लोग ब्रंच में इसमें से स्पेगेटी खा रहे होंगे. फुल सपने देखने लग गए मैं, इतनी सुंदर क्रॉकरी है यहाँ पर. I'm moving from those solid dinner plates to some you know beautiful quirky designs over here. I'm loving this whole section. ये पूरा grey and black वाला section. When I say they are high on design, I mean it. Like look at this bowl, serving tray over here, matching tray, bowl. It's so difficult to decide which one you'll choose यार. क्या सुंदर प्लेट से यार. ये इनकी सारी जो क्रॉकरी है माइक्रोवेव सेफ है, डिश वॉशर सेफ है, चिप रेजिस्टेंट है एंड यू नो इट्स फूड सेफ ऑल्सो. सो वट एवर यू आर पेइंग ओवर हियर यू आर गेटिंग द वर्थ ऑफ योर मनी. सो व्हाइल आई से दैट आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू टेक अ लुक एट दिस टेबल. जैसे ही मैं इस स्टोर में आई फेल इन लव विद दिस स्प्रेड ओवर हियर मैन. इट्स so beautiful. They have set it all up for you. Like if you have some occasion at your home, a brunch or dinner that you're hosting, they've given you like an idea कैसे तुम इनकी क्रॉकरी को प्लेट कर सकते हो. And then look at the gold cutlery over here. By the way, that also reminds me, इनका जो इंस्टाग्राम पेज है नेस्टेशिया का वो ज़रूर फॉलो करना, क्योंकि जैसे यहाँ पर ये टेबल सेटिंग्स दिखाई हुई है, ऑन देयर पेज यू आर गोना फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग डेकोर इंस्पो, लॉट्स ऑफ रील्स एंड पिक्चर आइडियाज फॉर योर लंचेस, डिनर्स, ब्रंचेस, और इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक अ बेबी शावर और व्हाटएवर. सो इफ यू आर होम डेकोर enthusiasts, definitely follow Nestasia का Instagram page. Where should we move next? We should take a look at the glasses. So this entire thing over here is their glass section. Like you can see, यहाँ पर तुम्हारे basic जो transparent glasses जो हम लोग घरों में use करते हैं पानी वाले, ये मेरे घर में भी I think every Indian household has these glasses. Then they also have some stunning dessert bowls over here. एक तो ये यार क्या what beautiful colors. Look at the whole green to blue ombre, and I also like this grey one over here. And you know, apart from being just such stunning looking glasses, ये again microwave safe है, dishwasher safe है, and they are also chip resistant again. I feel like इनका glass का section is also so Pinteresty, like with the kind of colors and designs that these guys have got. यार before I go ahead, मुझे यहाँ पर एक बहुत interesting चीज़ दिखी है that I need you guys to focus on. I love this, like something so good about the golden color, right? If you want some bar accessories for your bar at home, look at this. This is your shaker over here, and they have a really pretty like a golden stand kept. ये this can make for such a good, you know, gifting idea. हम लोग गिफ्ट्स लेने के वक्त कितने कंफ्यूज रहते हैं क्या ले किसके लिए. यहाँ पर इतने सारे ऑप्शंस है for your friends according to their interest, so you know which friends to give this to. So beautifully done. Look at all this. And now we'll be exploring that decor section. Like you can see मेरे सामने पूरे टेबल पर बहुत ही stunning home decor pieces assembled है. Everything here is like one of a kind. Like look at this one. What stunning pieces. Look at this Ferris wheel. Something so calming about this Buddha statue. This is such a beautiful and calming statue to have for your living room. Then यहाँ पर इस section में there are some stunning marble pieces. काफ़ी heavy piece है यार ये, and this is so beautifully done. Just two colors, ivory and gold. Just statement piece to have, you know, on in your living room. पूरा gold detailing के साथ है ये वाला, and something so royal about it. This is made with like top-notch quality material. The finish it's luxe. These are going to make for such fabulous gifting items, guys. And then there are these stunning candle stands. I love this marble vase. It looks so luxurious. इस पे literally ये जो leaf है golden leaf engrave की हुई. There are these stunning, you know, decorative plates for your living room or your dining, for whatever you opt for. ये सारी mirror वाली plates है, and oh my god, what are these designs यार. इसको ना, you can use this to store stuff, or you can just use this like a beautiful decor piece. This is going to add so much to, you know, the space in your house. Talking about some more one of its kind decor pieces, यहाँ पर मतलब बहुत सारे pieces है, all of them kept over here. Like एक piece मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊँ तो I think we'll need one video for every, you know, corner. But some of my this, like look at this one. These are some of my really favorite pieces at the store that I want you guys to take a look at. I also thought this is like really cool. If you have a bookshelf or something in your house, look at how coolly this is done. Adds an interesting element. Now there are some really beautiful crystal glass accessories over here for your home. Like there, I think these are ना बहुत ही versatile pieces है ये तुम्हारे home decor के लिए. You can use them like you want. मैंने सुना है this is one of their best selling pieces, and rightly so, because look at how stunningly this is made. I feel this will add so much to any space you keep it in. ना अब ऐसी चीज़ों को ना तुम अपने creativity के हिसाब से use कर सकते हो, how you want to integrate it in your space. Like, you know, right from being a key holder to putting like some fruits or flowers, or, you know, as a storage item or not as a storage item, it's up to you. And now here is सारा kitchen jars का section. Like they have lots of shapes and sizes and varieties again in the jars. So just basically utility boxes है तुम्हारे kitchen के लिए, अलग अलग shapes में, अलग अलग lids के साथ, durable quality stuff. This is an airtight lid over here. I want you to see the design थोड़ा पास आके. Look at this, man. You know, even if you're decking up like a cafe or your restaurant space, you have so many things to add to your. Look at this. How cute is this? यार इनकी ना मैंने ये चीज़ें इनकी वेबसाइट पर देखी थी, and I was like, dude, this is so cute. And now when I'm at the store, These serving bowls are something else. I love this whole basic beige color. इनके जो दूसरे भी colors हैं बहुत ही interesting and the make, there's a wooden handle. This feels so luxurious. These utility jars to some more beautiful things on this rack. Oh my god. Now this is what I was saying when I said Pinteresty crockery for all you crockery lovers. My last few home decor videos got so much love from you guys. I know you all are always looking for beautiful stuff. And they have so many designs and variations. Serving platters, like I am loving how this is designed with that little handle over here. और इनके जो prints है ना यार, ये वो prints नहीं है जो तुम्हें हर आए गए दिन flea markets में और आजकल तो क्रॉकरी के exhibitions and all तो बहुत ज़्यादा common हो गया बहुत सारे cities में including Mumbai, Pune. This is the kind of crockery that you're not going to find in any exhibition. This is very unique. There's a lot of attention that's been paid to every single design in the store, which I love. Look at more of them here. It has a really nice section to serve your sauce, and इसके साथ तुम starters, munchies, chips, dips जो भी है serve कर सकते हो. Let's take a look at some of the bowls. Beautiful designs, very interesting designs both inside and outside. But you also have chopsticks and some really interesting ramen bowls over here. Some more really cute serving bowls. This is one of my favorite color combinations. Another favorite of mine, जब मैं इनके website पे इनकी crockery देख रही थी, I was like, I love these serving bowls for the colors. Like, look at the colors over here. Beautiful peach. I love the teal. Such a beautiful serving bowl with like a glass lid. मैं इतनी बार मुंबई के शॉपिंग मार्केट्स जाती हूँ, वहाँ के क्रॉकरी मार्केट्स मैं कवर कर चुकी हूँ, बट such a variety of design with such great quality is not something you find very easily. Tiffin boxes, lunch boxes तुम्हारे offices के लिए, colleges के लिए. Look at the stuff that they've got here. They have those really cool bento boxes. ऐसा वाला बॉक्स मेरा भाई काफ़ी दिनों से ढूंढ रहा था अपने ऑफिस के लिए, सो मे बी आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड हिम एन पिक्चर एंड आस्क हिम इफ आई शुड पिक इट अप फॉर हिम. ऊपर जो है यहाँ पर देयर इज अ फोक, देयर आर लाइक चॉपस्टिक्स, देयर इज अ स्पून. ये ऊपर का सेक्शन अलग है. देन यू ओपन इट. यहाँ पर दो सेक्शंस है, whether you want to take your दाल or your gravy in it, whether you want to put your roti or rice, and then there is a नीचे का section. And look at the sizes over here. There are lots and lots of different sizes. This is a huge box. ये सारा जो है stainless steel है अंदर. This is a leak proof container again. And this is such a cutely done box, yeah, for your kids. These mugs that have been trending everywhere, मतलब Pinterest से लेकर Instagram तक, हर influencer से लेकर Hollywood celebrity के हाथ में you're going to find these. I love this color by the way. I'm loving, you guys know right, ये मेरा काफ़ी favorite color रहा है पिछले कुछ महीनों का. Love lilac and also love the fact that the straw matches. And these are all the color options they have in it. Look at this. And finally, my favorite section. तुम लोग जानते हो मुझे चाय का कितना ज़्यादा शौक है. How could I let go of such a stunning teacup set? It is a beautiful, very minimal again, white color का teapot, and it has these beautiful cups with it. More of the cups or mug section over here. Beautiful colors again. बहुत ही interesting colors, prints, designs तुम्हें फिर से मिल जाएंगे. Look at these mugs, coffee mugs with that embossment of sorts है उसके ऊपर. वो जो पेंटिंग है ऑलमोस्ट लाइक embossment लग रहा है. इंटरेस्टिंग कप सेट फॉर योर हाउस. डूड, आई एम इन लव विद द कलर पैलेट हियर यार. व्हाट इज, लुक एट दिस. ये देखो, अब ये चाय का कप और ये जो सॉसर है, ये मेरे शिमला के घर के बैल्कनी में बैठकर मैं चाय पीऊँगी वैली में देखते हुए. You know, I can't help it. This crockery is making me dream of things I want to have this crockery with me at different spaces in life, you know. ये एकदम ऊपर रखा हुआ था, हमने ऊपर से नीचे निकलवाया because oh my god, what is this? What a cute color. It's a beautiful butter yellow color, a stunning teapot and like a big mug and a saucer with it. I'm imagining a home that has all these beautiful items. मतलब मैं तो फिर सिर्फ घर पे ही रहूँगी, मैं बस Pinterest की फोटोज़ ही लेती रहूँगी अपने ऐसे आइटम्स के साथ. I won't be able to work if I have things like this around me all the time. Okay, we are almost towards the end of the video, but I saw some cushion covers here, some really interesting furnishing items over here, and I thought ये भी तुम्हें ज़रा दिखा दूँ. I want to give you guys a look at the kind of really interesting colors and designs and the thread work that these cushions have. बहुत ही अच्छा और soft material है ये, really good quality. If you are somebody who likes like these beige colors in your interiors, तुम्हें यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें पसंद आएगी. Very elegant options here for your homes. बट आई एम रियली सरप्राइज दैट दे हैव बैग्स ऑल्सो. लाइक इस होम डेकोर स्पेस में मैं बैग्स एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी, बट यहाँ पर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग lunch bags है. All my girls, office going girls, I know we're always looking for that cool lunch bag because you know you don't want to take it in those boring paper bags जो हमारी shopping की आती है. If you want something durable, बहुत अच्छे quality की, the handle, this feels like it's a great quality piece that I am holding यार. And there are more bags over here, very very interesting, you know, office going women के लिए if you're looking for a everyday wear tote bag. I personally like, मुझे ना ये वाली बैग बहुत पसंद आई. I love the vibe of this bag and I feel this is so universal, so versatile. बहुत सारे Indian outfits, Western outfits सब पे जाएगी and it looks so 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 classy. I love it. I love the color combination. This is also like a great handbag option, like a nice, you know, smaller compact bag अगर तुम्हें ले जाना पसंद है. This is like a handbag, okay, but it has a belt. You can use it as a sling as well. Very very cool yaar. Look at this. Very cool backpack option. That was it for this video. Nestasia का एक detailed store tour मैंने तुम्हें देने की कोशिश की on this channel. They have some fabulous and very unique and fresh home finds जो तुम्हें easily दूसरे home decor stores में नहीं मिलते हैं. So you know if you're looking at revamping your home space, कुछ renovate करना है घर में, या फिर you want to buy some wedding gifts, housewarming gifts, or just want to make your home space special, they have so many things. Come drop in at the store. ये जो store है Phoenix Mall of the Millennium वाकड़ में है. I'm going to put the address to it in the description box below. Check it out. And if you're new to my channel and want to watch more of such content in the future, take a second, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And I'll see you guys real soon with something new. You take care. Bye bye.